Welcome back to another episode of Café con Lissette a las 3. Cheers! And happy Friday. Thank God it's Friday, right? Let's talk about how about umbrella insurance? Do any of you know what umbrella insurance is? I get a lot of calls from customers that ask me for an umbrella. And when we start talking about it, there's a misunderstanding about exactly what umbrella is. So let's see if we can simplify it a bit. Think of an umbrella policy as a cup of coffee, right? In simple terms, it only holds as much coffee as the size. And the same works for your insurance policies. So what happens if the cup overflows? It goes everywhere, right? So what happens if there's an accident or a lawsuit that costs more than what fits in your cup of coffee? Who pays the rest? Well, if you don't have an umbrella policy, you do. So think of an umbrella policy as a big coffee pot that refills your cafecito when it overflows. It gives you extra protection, extra liability protection on top of your already underlying policies. So think of your auto policy and your homeowner's policy when we're talking about personal umbrellas. And you have liability limits on those policies. Once those limits are exhausted, there's no more, the company has paid out the maximum coverage that you purchased, then your umbrella policy would kick in to cover the difference up to the limit of insurance that you purchase. And you could purchase millions of dollars worth of coverage if that's what you need. It's not, an exorbitant amount of money, and it's great protection to have, especially to protect your assets. So in the simplest of terms, as best as I could describe it, that's what an umbrella policy does. So whether you're in a car accident or there's a slip and fall, like I said, it's extra peace of mind that covers life unexpected coffee spills. So I hope I made that simple enough for you. And until next time, dale que tú puedes.